whisper soft, they know my name. Sand in my shoes, no one to blame. The sun dips low, a tangerine flame. The breeze tells secrets I can't keep. Salt on my skin, the ocean deep. I got the ocean in my pocket, the tide in my hand. Every heartbeat's a rocket to a new planet. I got the ocean in my pocket. Catch me if you can. Palm trees sway like they're in on a joke. Moonlight paints silver on the smoke. The night hums low, the stars provoke. Why chase the clock when it melts away? Why hold the sky when it won't stay? Let the waves decide, let the music play. I got the ocean in my pocket, the tide in my hand. Every heartbeat's a rocket to a new planet. I got the ocean in my pocket. Catch me if you can. Waves roll slow on a silver tide. The moon hangs low where secrets hide. Sand whispers stories, soft and wide. Oceans whisper, calling me a melody beneath the sea. Close my eyes, I'll let it be. Oceans whisper, set me free. Footsteps fade where the shoreline bends. The horizon blurs, no start, no end. Salt on my skin, my only friend. Oceans whisper, calling me melody beneath the sea. Close
spills on the sand. Whispers of waves caress the land. A mango sky fades to deep blue. Palms are swaying, dancing to golden horizons, where the world slows down. Golden horizons, where no worries are found. Let the breeze take you, let the tide pull you through. Golden horizons, just me and you. Pineapple dreams in a coconut haze. The rhythm of life in the twilight fades. Feet in the water, hearts in the air, the universe smiles. We're floating there. Stars are freckles on the night's cheek. The moon hums low, the future feels sleek. Drifting in colors, the moments collide. Lost in the warmth of this ocean tide ride. Golden horizons, where the world slows down. Golden horizons, where no worries are found. Let the breeze take you, let the tide pull you through. Golden horizons, just me and you. Golden light whispers goodbye, but the horizon lingers, will never deny. The colors may fade, but the feeling stays true. Golden horizons, forever with you. Golden horizons, golden horizons. Let the breeze take you, let the tide pull you through. Golden horizons, just me and you. Golden horizons, golden horizons. Ooh, let the breeze take you, let the tide pull you through. Golden horizons, just me and you. Salt in the air whispers low. The waves keep secrets we'll never know. Footprints vanish in the foam. Drifting tides, take me away. Pull me closer, let me sway underneath the endless sky. Drifting tides, I'm learning to fly. Stars melt into the horizon's glow.
The moon's a lantern, soft and slow. Time dissolves where the waters flow. Fingers trace the edge of the deep. The ocean hums, it sings me to sleep. Drifting tides, take me away. Pull me closer, let me sway underneath the endless sky. Drifting tides, I'm learning to fly. What if the shore never calls me back? What if I'm lost on this endless track? Would it matter if I float or fall when the ocean feels like home to it all? Under the palms where the shadows sway, a quiet rhythm, the breeze at play. Birds sing secrets to the rising sun. A lazy smile, the day's begun. Whispered waves, they call my name. Soft and slow, a timeless game. The ocean hums, the sky's aflame. Whispered waves, they call my name. Sand on my skin, warm and alive. The seas embrace a gentle dive. Footprints fading, the tide rewinds. A fleeting story left behind. The horizon melts in gold and blue. Every moment feels brand new. Whispered waves, they call my name. Soft and slow, a timeless game. The ocean hums, the sky's aflame. Whispered waves, they call my name. Coconut shells, a makeshift tune. Dancing shadows under the moon. Stars are winking, the night's cocoon. You dare and The sun dips low into the sea, a golden coin in infinity. Waves hum soft, a melody free. Sand in my toes, who needs a key? Palms sway like they're in a trance, whispering secrets of a distant chance. Glow, let it glow, let it shine so bright. Under the moon, under island light. Glow, let it glow, where the cool breeze flows. This is the place where the heart just knows. Stars come out like glittering spills. Mountains fade into sleeping hills. The ocean speaks its voice so still. In this moment, time stands still. Every beat, every breath feels brand new, like the sky is painting itself in hues. We're adrift, just the sea and you. Endless horizon, endless view. Glow, let it glow, let it shine so bright. Under the moon, under island light. Glow, let it glow, where the cool breeze flows. This is the place where the heart just knows.
skin, waves whisper low. The sun dips slow, a golden glow. She's laughing wild, her hair untamed. A spark ignites, it can't be named. Ocean glow, ocean glow, ocean glow. Take me where the breezes flow. Hearts collide like tides below. Ocean glow, ocean glow. Her voice a song, it pulls me near. The stars awake, the night so clear. We're dancing close, no need to speak. A summer flame that feels unique. Drifting through this liquid dream, reality a distant gleam. Ocean glow, ocean glow, ocean glow. Take me where the breezes flow. Hearts collide like tides below. Ocean glow, ocean glow. Shelving secrets in the sand. I reach out to hold her hand. Every wave a fleeting chance. In her eyes, the moonlight dance. Ocean glow, ocean glow.
Under the palms where the shadows play, golden sands melting night into day. Your laugh, it lingers a spark in the air. I'm caught in the rhythm, I'm already there.
The ocean hum, it knows our tune. Dancing close under silver moon.
Heatwave in the moonlight, we burn, we sway. Every move a story, no words to say. Wave in the moonlight, just you and me, lost in the rhythm of this endless sea. Heatwave in the The breeze whispers secrets it stole from the tide. Your eyes are the sunset I can't hide inside. Coconuts fall, they crash like my heart. Every beat says don't let this drift apart.